Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I got some pickled carrots and jalapenos. Okay, I got some pork that I smoke roasted out of a huge, well, it was close to 20 pounds, pork loin. I've got 6 videos out of that. Here's some kosher salt, because I want to break that down a little bit. Here's a grind of pepper. And I'm frying it in cannabis oil, of course. If you hear the word oil or butter or fat, just assume that it's cannabinized. Okay, so I got this. And I got half a can of San Marcos crushed chipotle pepper. And I love this stuff. I use that in my barbecue sauce, the fiery sweet chipotle, when we manufactured it. And I got a can of La Castaña, and that is a tomatillo sauce. And these have no preservatives, man. It's just the fruit, okay? And I say fruit because they have seeds. So anything with a seed is a fruit. At least that's what I thought. Could be wrong. All right. So I'm getting this, I'm gonna bring that up. I'm gonna bring that to a simmer, okay? Because what I got is beautiful, beautiful pork loin, smoke roasted. I bought it cost me 20 bucks. $1.57 a pound for a big pork loin. I smoke roasted. I cut some off, did a lemon scallopini. I did some kebabs. I did a smoke roasted mushu. I don't remember what else. But yeah, and now this. So this, I'm taking the pork and I'm gonna put it in this. I'm calling it my roast pork loin menudo, because it's going in here. All right. Oh, hey, the dogs get one. All right, man, aren't you lucky? Okay. Yeah, one of them's lucky. They don't share. Yeah, you kidding me? It's a dog eat dog world here at hashtag straight poop. You know? Believe it or not, the oldest one, she's faster than the rest of them. Okay? She's like a little millipede. So, anyway, I'm gonna get this stuff coated. Next thing I'm gonna do is put it in a corning, because I want all this to cook down. All right? I want it to cook down, so when it's ready and bubbling out of the oven, I'm gonna serve it with warm tortillas. Okay, so let me get that out of the way. Let me get the corning. Let me get this out of here. Turn that off. Those are some of the shards. I'm going to do this as best as possible with a boarding house reach. Okay, man, it's looking good. Yeah, this is gonna be good, man. And I love these little cans of pickled, you know, carrots, jalapenos. You can get serranos and carrots. I haven't seen habaneros and carrots, but who knows, man? I haven't really shopped for them. Okay, just a little bit. And sorry about that. And okay. I'm all over the place today, man. Okay. Get that cleaned off a little bit. Don't want to burning in the oven. All right, there you got it. That's going in the oven, 375 degrees, for about an hour and a half. It's going to break up, and I'm going to serve it with, like I said, warm tortillas. So, see you in a minute when it's done. Hang loose, poopers. We'll be right back. Remember that smoke roasted pork I cubed up and put it into that beautiful tomatillo chipotle sauce with the pickled jalapenos and carrots? Put it in the oven, 375 for an hour and a half. I warmed some tortillas. Here we are. Didn't even put it on a plate because I'm eating it out of the casserole. I'm actually going to eat it out of the corning. That's how good it is. It's in our cookbook. Go to the comment section, go to the top, there's a link, click on that, and now that it's getting warm out, we're cooking most of those recipes because by the end of July, we'll have 200 videos. Not posted all the time at the same time, but there will be 200 videos. So anyway, my dogs love having you here. I love having you here. Love you being a part of our poopers. So, as the saying goes, poopers, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Okay? So, we'll see you next time here on #StraightPoop. Hang loose.